Hello everyone, welcome to my 6th episode on how to make a Gmod map. In this episode we'll be doing displacements. To create a displacement, go to your block tool and create a displacement or a block of around 1024 units by 2024. Press enter. Make sure it's no draw and get your face edit sheet. Browse. Look for a blend texture. Doesn't have to be blend, but this is just for the just want to show you guys the blend. So just look for a nice texture. For example, this one. You click on displacement over here. Click create. Make sure it's a power of 3 because power of 4 is broken. Something like that. Paint geometry. And now you can just paint as much as you want. So you can have little mountains around your map. This is obviously very small, so if you want to make it bigger, then you're going to want to press Ctrl C and Ctrl Shift B. Paste about 3. Make sure you click on this Y and do it in the other direction. So click on this again. You can sew these all together by selecting it, click on the face edit sheet, displacement and sew, and they'll automatically be bound together. You can also smooth it out, so you can displacement, paint geometry, smooth. And then you have to go like this. Just click and drag around your map. And if it's too far to reach from the bottom, then you can just increase the radius a lot. I've got a little simple alleyway. And if you want to just compile your map, just remember to always have a skybox. I never do this, but it's just for for an example. You can use a hollow skybox just to test. Tools, make hollow, do -32. And then you've got a map with displacements. You can obviously do this for military RP because the military RP maps extend all the way out. So that is all for the displacements tutorial. Have a good day and see you in the next video. And one last thing, if you're interested in doing painting, you can do paint alpha, and usually this doesn't work for me, I don't know why, but you can use another texture for this. Just look for blend. Just going to use this one. Paint alpha, and then you can click or right click to paint. So you can have a little rough in the middle, then fine, and you can also invert that by doing invert alpha. Very nice looking terrain. Alright, have a good day and see you in the next tutorial.